In a city obsessed with fried food, one tiny shop has been quietly breaking the rules for 10 years. No shortcuts, no compromises. And it all starts with oil. Most restaurants reuse it for days. Here, they throw it out every morning. Why? Because they believe you can taste the difference in every bite.
Very crispy. Oh my god.
Today we're in Wirye, South Korea, at Daechang Donkatsu.
Hi, how are you? Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
A family-run spot locals swear by for its golden, crispy fish and juicy beef cutlets. Tucked away in the neighborhood, it's the kind of place people whisper about and line up for. Obsessive about the details, they serve generous portions in a room that feels like home. The fryer turns out cutlets fresh and clean, the kitchen gleams, and the welcome is as warm as the food. Every morning starts the same way. Fresh oil, clean kitchen, ready for the day. It's not cheap, it's not easy, but it's why their tonkatsu tastes like this.
How long does it take for the oil to get ready for you to fry the cutlets into the oil?
온도를 높이면 30분에서 40분 정도 기다려야 되고요. 돈가스를 튀길 때는 한 165도에서 170도 사이가 제일 좋습니다.
So everything is measured like if you fry the cutlet like in this restaurant, they got to measure the temperature to about like 165 degrees and then you have to wait for 30 minutes before you dip in the cutlet into the oil.
The beef is sliced thick, the fish fillets are trimmed with care, each coated in breadcrumbs that cling like armor, then lowered into a bath of liquid gold.
저희는 165도에서 5분 튀깁니다.
Within the temperature of 165, it takes only 5 minutes to fry the cutlet for it to get real ready. Oh, so there's an alarm. 5 minutes. Within the 5 minutes window, like that's when he gets to take it off. You know, like in this restaurant, the oil is always new. Like, do you always change your oil every time you fry, like every day?
예, 저희는 10년 동안 영업하면서 기름을 매일 갑니다. 청소 다 하고 저녁에 끝나면 아침에 와서 새 기름으로 교체를 하죠.
You know, like there's a lot of restaurants that I've had in South Korea, like they don't change the oil, like it runs for about like a week, and that's been a problem because that kind of oil causes a lot of disease. But in this restaurant, you could see the oil. Come on over here. You see how clean this oil is right here? So he changes the oil almost every day. So how old is the restaurant?
지금 10년째 하고 있습니다.
Well, the restaurant is almost like 10 years. Imagine 10 years, everything is super clean. Look at the table right here, very super clean. Can I just have one? Like, it's very good. Like, it looks very good. I want to try it. Can I have one?
오케이.
Okay. Oh, this. Oh my god! You give me the big one? I'm gonna take a bite of this. Very crispy. Oh my god! It's very crispy, very savory, very rich, and really, really awesome. Whoa, I like it.
The crust turns the color of autumn leaves, while the inside stays tender and juicy. The beef rich and hearty, the fish delicate and flaky. This is not fast food. This is slow mastery. The first bite is a crunch that echoes in your skull, followed by a wave of juicy, clean flavor. No heaviness, no grease. Just pure tonkatsu bliss.
Your restaurant is very clean.
우리 대장은 청결을 되게 중요하게.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Wow, you made all this for me? Oh my god.
정성을 다해서 준비했으니까 맛있게 드십시오.
I love the cutlets. I mean, there are 3 different cutlets here. I mean, 어떻게 달라요 이거?
이거는 치즈가스,
Okay.
이거는 무즙이 올라간 오로시 돈가스, 이거는 저희 대장의 메인 메뉴인 생선가스입니다.
Actually, they do have this kind of Japanese. You see the noodles here from Japan. They are like those that are hard. They are not kind of Korean here because this is a Japanese restaurant. I mean, I do like the food. It's kind of like really awesome. Like, I like the way it looks crispy. Like the Donkatsu looks crispy. Your food looks very awesome. I like the way it's colored up. I like the way it's savory. It looks savory, and I like the way it's crispy. The cutlets are very crispy. Actually, I've been in Korea for a couple of years. I've never seen this kind of decoration. I've never seen a cutlet that has the cheese on top. And then 이거 어떤 거야?
무즙이 올라간 오로시가스인데 이 소스가 유자로 만든 폰즈 소스입니다. 아주 상큼하면서 무즙이 올라가서 좀 색다르죠, 맛이. 제가 먼저 치즈 돈가스를 먼저 드릴게요. 저희는 치즈가 속에 들어있는 게 아니고 겉에 치즈를 올리기 때문에 세 가지 치즈를 사용하고
Unlike in other restaurants, the cheese cutlet here has the cheese laid on top, while the inside holds tender pork as the inner layer. This gives it a soft, juicy texture that almost melts apart with every bite. The crispy panko coating locks in the flavor, while the rich cheese on top adds a creamy finish that balances perfectly with the meat.
The cutlet right here, it has an aroma. I don't know how to explain it. The cheese adds up to the beef within the cutlet right here. Come on, check this out. You got the beef right in here, right? And then you got the cheese on top right here. And then you have the crisps right here. It's very crispy. And then it has that kind of scent from the beef in there. 선생님, 이거 뭔 순두개예요?
저희는 치즈 돈가스에는 안심을 사용하는데
You know, I'm listening to him talk, but I want to have more because it's so delicious. Whoa! You know, I get surprised every time that I travel and do the food testing. Every restaurant in South Korea reveals something new. And in this restaurant, if you come and eat food from here, you're gonna try the cheese Donkatsu, which is the cheese cutlet actually. It's very awesome. Whoa!
Even after more than 10 years in business, Daechang Donkatsu continues to innovate with recipes that stand apart from its rivals. The food here is unique, tempting, and keeps you wanting more. Every recipe is homemade, crafted with care, and kept as a closely guarded secret. The only way to truly understand it is not by hearing about it, but by tasting it for yourself, right here at the restaurant.
헬리 이것도 드셔보세요.
I mean, they have a lot of like different toppings on top there. Like this one has the cheese. This one.
이거는 무즙하고 폰즈 소스에 찍어 드시면 되세요.
So like you got the first sauce, then this one I dip it in the second sauce.
예, 이거는 푹 담그세요. 푹.
Dip.
예.
I roll it. Yeah, that's the thing. Like if you don't grow up in Asia, you don't know what to do. Let me try this. Whoa, my God. This is a kicker.
I bet you've watched Squid Game, right? You know how one mistake and you're out? That's exactly what Daechang's food does to you. First, it tempts you with the aroma. You take a bite, and as you start to chew, you're caught. There's no turning back. This food goes straight in your happy boxes, scrambling everything inside, leaving you speechless.
I'm very happy. Oh my God. This food is very awesome. I don't know how it mixes the salt, but it's very savory, reaching. That kind of the savory kind of feel within the food is dripping and it's very crispy. Now, when you add the toppings here, like come on. You see the cheese over here? If you add the cheese on top of the cutlet and then there's something else he adds right here, and the sauce is just very different. The more you dip it, you eat it. The more you eat it, you have a new revelation. Your food is really awesome. For real, no cap. Oh my God. Oh, I can't wait. I just want to have one more. Oh my God. Oh my God.
생선은
Wait a minute. This is kind of like fish in there, right? You make everything.
생선 소스에 찍어서 한번
Oh my God. This guy has different sauce for everything. Now look at this. The cheese has the sauce. I didn't know why he was putting everything different. Now the sauce is different here. We got the sauce for the cheese right here. We got the different sauce right here for this Donkatsu right here. That's the cutlet here. And then the fish tasting a different sauce. Now, surprise me. What do we do?
소스에
네.
듬뿍 좀 발라보세요. 그러면
Just a little bit?
네, 더
더.
오케이.
Oh my God, I need to add more? You gotta shower it with the sauce. Don't pretend like you don't want to eat. And then we take a 1 bite, 2 bites.
원.
1 bite. I'm very happy. Oh my God. More food.
야채도 한번.
It's kind of like you're sitting in an interrogation in police and the police officer goes like, I know you killed, but eat this. If they give you this food, you give it to the officer, you're gonna be forgiven. It's really awesome.
Fun fact, I know you can't feel it through the screen, but here's the deal. Go to Daechang Donkatsu in Wirye, taste their food, and if you don't feel what I've described here, I'll pay you back half of what you spent. The only condition? You have to agree it gave you that happy taste after the meal. And honestly, I bet you'll lose that bet.
이거는 주먹밥인데 김가루하고 단무지하고 오복채가 들어간 겁니다.
This is from Japan or Korean?
코리안 스타일.
Oh my God, this is Korean style, you know. Whoa. So I just eat and bite, no sauce?
소스 노.
Oh. Take a simple scoop, small scoop. One more. See this? Come on. I think the secret lies into the cream they put in there or something. I don't know what they put there. Very awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. Your food is all awesome. I like it. Cut.
Lately, I've been on a mission to review hidden restaurants that serve authentic food most people don't even know exist. And I know many of you follow me for exactly that. But here's the truth. Some restaurants misbehave with their flavors in the best way possible, creating recipes so unique, they make me want to stay longer. If there's one place I'd gladly revisit, it's Daechang Donkatsu.
여기 몇 년 했어요?
여기 10년 됐는데 위례 서일로가 생긴 지 10년 됐습니다. 여기는 신도시라서 사람들이 많이 있죠. 이제 신혼부부도 많고.
그래서 여기 10년 했어요?
네, 10년 했었어요.
너무 깨끗해 여기. 나가죠.
오케이.
They got this kind of resting place for couples. People take pictures all the way from here. Wow, this is really awesome. Thank you so much.
고맙습니다.
I like your restaurant. All right. See you again.
네, 다음에 또 오세요.
All right.
네.
Thank you.
고맙습니다.
All right. I mean, that was all about it, this restaurant. And Daechang Donkatsu is a great place. This is Wirye branch. If you ever come and you're looking for a place for you to enjoy the breast meal that's going to make you happy, this is the restaurant for you to come. The food is rich in aroma. Now, this is no capping, there's no lies here. If you test the food, it has a great aroma. And for all of you who have watched our shows, we appreciate everything, all the subscribers. We sign out right now. Until next time, watch out for the next episode. We out.
Misery, and I don't fake this kind of feeling never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're